My name is Jay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I turned my new apartment into a cozy little art studio. Hope you enjoy. So when I first moved into this place, it was very cold. One of the first things that I bought when I moved in here was a set of floor-to-ceiling curtains. Added a sense of verticality, some texture, and some much-needed warmth to the place. The most important things to consider when setting up an art studio is lighting. The lighting in this apartment when I moved in was pretty terrible, so I definitely needed to make some changes. Now, most artists will have a full-on professional lighting rig in their studios, and that is fantastic. However, when your studio space is also your living room, dining room, and your office, having a full professional lighting rig set up in the middle is not ideal. So, with that in mind, I went on an adventure to Lighting Warehouse. There I was able to find a couple of really nice lamps and set those up in my studio, which really improved the lighting situation overall. So setting up this studio has been really great. It's really helped me take my art to the next level. I find myself sitting down to paint far more frequently and for longer stints each time. It can be so easy to let life get in the way of your passion that building a space that minimizes the barriers between you and your creativity is so important. So this space has turned out better than I could have expected. It's warm, it's welcoming, it's comfortable, and I find myself wanting to paint far more often than I previously did. And it's been really good. And you know, just this morning I went out and I met with a bunch of other artists from across Adelaide, and one of them mentioned that there's a portrait competition coming up next month. So tomorrow after work I'm gonna stop by the art shop, pick up a new canvas and try my hand at portraiture. The last time I did a portrait it ended up a little bit more eldritch than I perhaps anticipated, but you know, there's only so much you can do with this, so I'll try my best and I'll record the whole process and let you know how it goes. Thank you for stopping by and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!